Skandals tayo.
Huwag mo na siyang i-pressure.
Kasi malala kasi yun yung gusto malaman, diba? Gusto yung marinig. Hindi naman ako nag-judge, so...
Zimba Gabing.
It's for the judges.
Not giving. Okay lang.
Sarap.
Good morning.
That's very Bisaya.
Diba?
Yung ganyan, yung lalagyan ng sukal ng chichirya. Baho na.
Wala kang makikis ngayong gabi. Yan, sa iba. Hindi.
Prank niyo ako.
What filter is that? Ano yung user? Yes, beauty top. What Let me know. Send it to me. Right now. Okay. Not ever smells. Hello. Everyone, I'm here. Say hi.
Why'd you change yan?
Yes. We are here at Zimba.
Oh my God, mati-demonetize na.
Why?
That's all. You're peculiar and something you're only your lips are Trance.
Napaka-transphobic mo, no?
No, I'm not. Okay, lahat ng BFF ko trans, di ka mo nagiging trans ka na. Pansin ko. Trans, since birth.
Ever since. Baka ko lang. Trans.
Singing it as a name. Doesn't have a name. Yeah.
Ay, si Tommy.
Loading, unadulterated loading. For your face, your voice, loading. Let's just say, I load it all. However small, begin to grow. Loading, there's a strange vibration in such total limitation. It's
Wait, let me-
so strong.
Si Hines.
Loading.
This is Toy Love. Toy with love. Toy Love.
Dito, you are just too good.
Hey, Queen. Yes.
Meron, she's a...
Pabili ice cream. Ay, kabayo lang po tinitin ko. Ito na ice cream.
I laid eyes on you.
Oh, what is this feeling?
Kanina to? Kanina to? Teko. Ay, huwag ka mag-rest to that time. Alam ko na sunod yan. Napanood ko na yan eh.
You're so sweet.
And I will be loading for forever loading. Julie, That's my favorite song na. Promise to God.
Piyasa mo yung ang dapat girl.
Me? Dapat si Simba. Kasi I'm the girl.
Hi, friend.
I'm not. But I am that. Si Simba hindi. Kasi hindi siya pinili. Sa part 2 pa. May part 2 pa kasi
Paano doon ako pili? Ano na ba siya pili?
So magantay ka. Maganda! Underrated.
Magaling for good.
Ganito, big best. Nami po ang This is our drink tonight. What do you call it this? With Sprite.
Kaya kong kantahin yan. Dancing through life.
Oh, wala ka gaming yun. Ay, dala kumingawa. Hi, Mrs. Reyes Christine.
Batula. Walang palo dito bakit ka? Ba't walang wala? Baka walang wala.
Naman si considering. Say hi. Smile.
Search mo na lang.
That is Cyrus.
Shoot ka talaga.
Patrick na yung quandary pa lang lang. I am at House of Day. How?
Ganun ka din?
I feel like andito sa Bomba. Ay, si Bomba, si
Mas namin
Felicia. She is here with me.
Shoot eh.
Sama kanila sa Feb 28. Hindi ko pa sure. Ma!
Hindi mo masyadong nagkaya ng heart.
Alien.
Ha? Wala masyadong.
Ay, ma-portrait ba?
Hello. Wait lang.
Batman na ba? Gusto mo Batman na ba? Ano ba ito?
Say that, dear.
Hi, Luisa, my baby girl. Anong phone mo ganda? Patay. iPhone 6.
Say what it is. Say what it is.
Sister ka?
Say hi to my line.
Hi, Lai. This is Felicia din. Diba?
Cheers! Herman.
Cheers! Oh, matanda. Naging kahit ni matanda. Gago.
Oh, hi, Princess Deborah.
Tito, Tito! Bert, kailangan gusto mo pasahin kita.
Hi, Felicia. Hi. Girl, bitch. Hi, Princess Deborah. Luisa. Hi, Luisa. City. Cheers, darlings.
I am the brightest star.
Alam mo ikaw.
kakayate. Ay, na nga matuta kayo paglampungan. Kulang na lang pumunta kayo sa kwarto. This is Felicia Ding, the iconic.
Ay,
She
ano
put-
first impression mo sa akin, men?
Mabait, kapansin. Kapansin sila. Same kami ng energy. Same kami ng freak. Gina batch my freak.
Last.
Ayun, uy, Uber! Best, magubag kayo na.
Tayo, kasi naman. Ilan yan.
OA.
Miss Bella, can you make Miss Bella, can you make the
Wala nang wala nang GS. Ito na lang. Okay na sa'yo to. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not about counting though. I feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Busing?
Or maganda ka sa tabi nila.
Rate mo ang drinks, Bella. At actually 0.
Oh, ikaw na Miss Bella.
Vega, kayo Tagalog is hindi. You know what, guys? Huwag niyong ino-okay to Tagalog ko ha. I've learned this a lot of times. So, don't laugh when your mouth is
Asa na yung matanda?
Charing.
May matanda.
Actually, can you please able my love? Yung, hindi, yung Sprite.
Gusto acting, yung parang singing. 10 minutes na piyansa.
Ayan, ito na siya.
Yun na. Ano pang water? Ano pang cake? Cake tayo, tapos talaga miss mo siya. Story.
Uy, Miss Bella is so articulate in Tagalog English. Uy,
Gusto ko yung performance namin dalawa.
don't do that.
Yung parang talagang kuligyan. Parang
Juno, Juzi, Izzy, Omi.
Tapos every 3 minutes set, bagong set design. Or,
Ate.
di ba kaya? Masyado ambisyoso yung may set design. Ang ganda mo sa ginger, bagay sa hair, ay sa skin mo. Bagay sa dalawa. Ikaw ano ka? Gusto mo palagi ka angat. Kasi never ka.
Bilamig.
Cringe alert!
Shout out pala. Hi, Dars.
Ikaw, ano
Hi, Dars.
Sumuporta ng angat mo.
Dars na. Wait, I'm going to pee for a while.
Diyos mo na ako.
Simba the pee. Can you entertain my people? I'm just going to pee. Say hi.
Noodles na. Wait!
Hello. Oh my God. Wala bang pogi dyan? Can you all message me, no? Message me right now. Oh my God, hunting. Simba, nagkita na kayo ni Frankie ulit? Hindi pa. I miss him though. See someone fortunate and I like Frankie, yeah. Ano. Yan maganda. Sige naman. Sige naman. And guess what? This is the Badabing. The fearless, the voracious. I love to play. Hi everyone. And she loves to what? To eat some veggies. Balik ang Zimba na din. O, end ko na nili. Okay, Deborah, mag-end na ko. Hindi na lang po mag-live forever. Deborah, Princess Deborah 2. Hindi na ako mag-live forever. Just for you.